Yes, best forex trading tips for beginners. This is the best forex trading tips for beginners that you could ever see on forex. Now, quickly, I want to share with you um, some tips as a forex beginner that will help shift your trading career forward into becoming a better trader. And I'll be sharing with you just one major tip, but I'll break it down into four different things. Now, the first thing I want to share with us is trend line. Trend line. And I want us to understand something. Let me draw it quickly. Trend line. Now, this trend line can be used as area of support and resistance. Now, I will be teaching you now. This is a trend line. See, this is a trend line. Draw it perfectly. This is a trend line. Now, I'll be teaching you trend line support, trend line resistance, sell lean momentum, and buy momentum, and then breakout quickly in this video. Now, look at this. Now, this is actually a selling trend line. This is a selling trend line because it's going in direction of what the trend, which is sell. Now, when you see this, you expect price normally comes back to touch um the area of resistance, the area of resistance. Now, these are areas of resistance. Let me draw them. This particular place where the trend line touch is actually an area of resistance. Now, this is actually a point whereby price tried to break above but could not. So now it forms what we call area of what? Of resistance. Area of what? Of resistance. Now, this is a trend line resistance. Now, I want us to know first thing that you can trade the bounce of this, meaning price can come and bounce on it, like what we saw here. Price came here, touch here, and then begin to sell down. Price came back again, touch this region, and begin to what? Begin to sell. That is how you can trade it. And the second is for you to trade the breakout. Is for you to trade the breakout. What is a breakout? Breaking against the trend line. Now look at this particular one. Look at this particular place here. Price broke here, and then after breaking up, it came back again, tested this region with this particular candlestick, and then begin to move in direction of the trend. It begins to move in direction of the trend. Look at it. Look at it here. Look at the pullback here. And after the pullback, it went up against the trend. Sorry, it went against the trend before returning back again to the trend line. Look at this particular place. It returned back to a trend line. Now, when price returned back always in direction of the trend with a long candlestick, it shows momentum in the market in direction of the trend. And look at what happened. You see, now it went down for a sell massively because there was high momentum in direction of the trend. That is how you can use the sell, um, the trend line resistance to trade. Now let's look at support, trend line support. Now look at this trend line support. Look at it. Like I always say, price always comes back to what? To that region of um support. Look at it. Here we have many support zones. Here we have many support zones. Now we have many support zones. We have many support zones. Look at these zones. They are actually support zones. Now, these support zones are based on trend lines, based on trend line, and you see price respecting that zone, which means we can use it in order for us to what, to trade. You can imagine you can use it to trade. Now, this help a lot when it comes to breakout. Now, that's just an example of how we can use it to what, to trade. But what about breakout? What about breakout? Now look at it. What about breakout? Look at the zone. Look at the zone down to this particular place. Down to this particular place. Down to this particular part. We see how price respect it and begin to sell. You see, after the breakout here, look at it, guys. Um, sorry, let me go back. After the breakout at this particular place, look at it. After a breakout at this particular place, price came here, tested this particular trend line, what, resistance, and then begin to sell. And we can see what happened. The selling pressure, how it continues selling. So that is how you can use the selling momentum, the secret of the selling momentum, in order for you to sell and make profit. Now, just watch this video over and over and understand this. The breakout strategy, the selling momentum as a result of the trend line support and resistance, it will help you a lot change your trading career. Once you have your trend line drawn, you can be able to determine if market will respect that level or not by waiting for the kind of candlestick that is being formed at that particular region, at that particular area. Now, this will actually strengthen your trading career. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Kindly share this video with your family and friends. See you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.